Start with the slip knot. And chain 40, or else you can start off with any even number of chains. This measures 8 inches. 1 double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. This one. And 1 double crochet into each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, this one. 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1 slip stitch. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 slip stitch and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet. Now continue with the stitches. Make the last half double crochet and in the last stitch make 1 single crochet. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2, insert hook into the first chain which you made, that's the second chain from the hook, and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Now the next round we'll be working only into the back loops. So here insert hook into the back loop, this one, and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 back loop double crochet made. Next round 1 back loop double crochet is already made. Now make 1 back loop double crochet into each and every stitch. You can just turn it like this, you'll be able to see the stitches properly. This is the next stitch, the back loop, 1 double crochet, next stitch, back loop, this outer loop. Now continue with the stitches, 1 back loop double crochet into each and every stitch. Make the last stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating the last 2 rounds until it's square in shape. Start with the pattern round. 1 single crochet in the first stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, this is how the pattern will look. You start with a row of double crochets, so finish it off with a row of back loop double crochets. Chain 12 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch and insert it into both the loops like this and make a slip stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.